This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first steps immediately. Have your account email, recovery phone, and any backup codes in front of you. This saves repeated stops. Open the Authenticator app to confirm which account entries exist and note the app name and version. Once done, sign into the service's account recovery page. Choose the option to recover lost Authenticator key. Make sure to keep a secondary device or temporary email ready for verification messages. You now move into the detailed execution. Verify identity and export or regenerate the key. Follow the service's multi-step prompts exactly. They often ask for email codes, SMS codes, or ID upload. If the service offers a recovery code, copy it securely. Next, check your Authenticator app for an export or account transfer feature. Export the key to a secure file or scan the provided QR code from the service. Make sure to note time-based settings, 30s versus 60, so code. Finish by reconfiguring and performing final checks. Add the recovered key to your Authenticator app by scanning the QR or entering the manual code, then test logging in at least twice to confirm synchronization. Save new backup codes offline and in an encrypted cloud. Rotate keys if required. If something goes wrong, use saved backup codes immediately or contact support with photos of your ID and transaction records. One troubleshooting tip: if codes don't match, check device clock and time sync. Correcting time often fixes mismatched one-time codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.